Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And today we are making laser cut jewelry, my favorite. I got this design that I want to share with y'all. We're only going to be using circles and squares and whatever font that you would like to use. Let's get off into it. All right, so now we are in CorelDRAW. We're going to go over here. We're going to select us a circle. Let's make this circle 1 inch by 1 inch. Let's make it a hairline. Line this to the center of the page. Zoom in a little bit. We're gonna add a contour to this circle. Select the circle, go over to the contour tool. We're gonna make sure it's on the inside, 1 step and 0.63. Click inside, it's gonna create us a contour right in the inside. Let's select everything, go up here to object, and we're going to break contour apart. Let's go over to the smart fill tool and we're going to select right inside of it like that. Go to the select tool. Let's move this over here to the side. Let's make it a hairline and we're going to unfill it. And we're going to select this inside circle, move it over here to the side. Go up here to the square and we're going to create us a little square. Let's make it a hairline and let's make this square 0.30 by 0.30. Let's line it up to this middle part. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's select everything in the middle. We're going to combine it. Go over here to the circle tool again, create a smaller circle, hairline, and we're gonna make this one 0.15. We're gonna take that circle, we're gonna line it up somewhere in the center of it like that, as close as we can. Let's select everything. Go up here to alignment and we're gonna align center horizontally. Select this circle. We're gonna go up here to alignment and we're gonna align to the center. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. We're gonna select this polygon tool thing right here, but we're gonna go down here to this impact tool. Leave all these settings the same. Make sure that it's on radial. And we're gonna change this minimum and maximum number right here, this degree number. We're gonna change it to 10, like that. While it's selected, I'm gonna go up here, align to the center of the page. Let's zoom in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna just stretch it out until it's touching the inside circle line. And we're gonna take the inside circle and we're going to delete it because we're not gonna need it. Because this all gonna be gold mirror acrylic right here and it's going to engrave. The inside part right here is going to be silver glitter acrylic, which is going to go on top of this. You can use any font that you really want to use when it comes to this part. So we're going to use this font right here, just Helvetic. I'm going to do a letter T in the middle also. If you're going to, just go to center page and it's going to center it. You can make it whatever size you want, just don't go outside of the little Sharpie pointy parts right here. So we're going to take this T and we're going to move it back out. We're going to go up here to object. We're going to convert to curves. We're going to put a hairline around it and we're going to unfill it. Basically the design is going to be this right here. So let's head to the laser and cut everything out.
Yeah. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just frontin'. You know I want you, babe.
How we're gonna put this together is I got some Gorilla Tape that I'm gonna use to take the masking paper off of the top part. And since I use some double-sided 3M tape when I cut out the glitter acrylic, it's on the back side of it. Just peel that off and stick that to the top of the design. We're gonna use a jump ring to put it all together and a gold chain.
In front of an audience like you was just another shorty. I put the naughty on, but truth be told, you threw me for a loop this whole. I'm too old to be frontin' when I'm feeling Denzel and acting like you ain't appealing when you are. Stuntin' like you ain't my only girl when you are. I'm ready to stop when you are.
Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just frontin'. You know I want you, babe.
And there you have it, a nice pendant design using none but circles and squares. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what you think about this design. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you change about it? You wouldn't change anything? Let me know in the comment. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make something else.